Let me introduce you to our Bridgetek BT816 Development Kit with a 5-inch display. The kit is all about giving developers a smooth path to building a graphical user interface. At the heart is the board powered by the BT816 Embedded Video Engine, delivering vibrant graphics, touch and audio. It is paired with a clear 5-inch TFT LCD, complete with resistive touch, so that you can interact directly with your design. Here we are connecting the FPC cable with the RG888 and touch signals to the BT816 module. And to make setup effortless, we have included the MM4222 QSPI interface board, which gives you a simple USB to QSPI connection straight from your PC, which also powers the board. We can now run the demo program, which displays an image. Now, in short, this kit is a practical mid-size solution for anyone wanting to evaluate, prototype, and bring user interfaces applications to life quickly and effectively. For more information, you can just click onto the QR code.